If you've ever studied French and thought, French speakers sound nothing like my textbook, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 10 real French phrases that people actually use in everyday conversations, including words like ba, en truc, and a word that literally means to blow the fuses. By the end of this video, your French will sound way more natural. Okay, let's start with one of the most common little words in French. Ba is used just casually in conversation, and it's a word that means, well, I mean, and it makes your French sound less robotic when you're just having a conversation. You could say, bah, je ne sais pas. Number 2 is one that I really enjoy, which is j'en ai marre. It means I'm sick of or I'm tired of something. J'en ai marre de faire mes devoirs. This is a common complaint phrase that natives use all the time. If you're a beginner French learner and don't know where to start on your journey, I have a free French Essentials beginner guide that I'll have linked down below for you to download. Number 3 is écoute. It literally means listen, as in telling somebody to listen. It's often used conversationally as in look. For example, you can say, écoute, je vais faire mes devoirs. Number 4 is very similar to a phrase you've probably already seen before, and that is je vous en prie. This is an alternative to de rien, and it's often used in formal settings or customer service environments. Number 5 is s'amuser, and this is an expression that means to have fun. And it's more natural to use this than trying to translate that idea directly from English. For example, you could say something like, on s'est bien amusé. Number 6 is super common in everyday French, and the phrase is c'est parti. This means let's go. It's just said before starting something. An example use case here is bon, c'est parti. And you could say that before you go out on a walk. Number 7 is péter les plombs. That literally means to blow the fuses. The actual meaning of this expression is to lose it or to freak out. If somebody is really mad and you want to describe their emotions in that time, you can simply say, il a pété les plombs. Number 8 caught me off guard when I went to France, so it's very important to know this one, and that is ticket. Now, if you hear the word ticket, you might think it's a ticket. You know, it's one of those false cognates. In reality, it means a store receipt. So if you're buying groceries and somebody asks you, vous voulez le ticket? Then you can say yes or no, depending on if you want your receipt. Number 9 is something you can easily use to sound like a native, and that is en truc. This word means thing or stuff. One way this might be used in spoken French is c'est quoi ce truc? Lastly, number 10 is extremely casual. We have boulot. This is a casual version of the word travail. In a casual sense, work or a job. So if someone might say, je vais au boulot. Which expression was your favorite? Let me know down below. And don't forget, if you need an additional resource for starting out learning French, I'll have that link down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.